Alright guys, I want to show you how to buy USDT via Bybit P2P with your local bank account. So kindly watch the video carefully to get all the steps I'm going to show you in this video. Alright. So once you open your Bybit and you're on the interface, okay, which I believe you should have the app and you've done your verification, then you just go to the search bar and search for P2P. Okay, P2P means peer to peer. Alright. So you're going to see it as the first option there, then click on it here. Now, once you click on it, you have two options here, to buy or to sell. Here is to buy, then here is to sell. So it depends on what you want to buy. If it's USDT you want to buy, you buy USDT. If it's USDC, if it's BTC, Ethereum, or layer 3. So the same method you use to buy USDT, the same method you use to buy any of the crypto. Okay. So once you've selected to buy, then you can see these orders here, some of them are ineligible. Okay. So just come to this filter. You can see filter here. Or before then, you can come here and choose your country's currency. Okay, so once you click on it, you can select your currency. So for me, I'm using Nigerian naira, so I will choose NGN. So for your country, you can just select your currency and everything is going to display in your local currency. Okay, so after that, then click on the filter. Once you click on filter, it's going to show you two options as well, to show only eligible ads or show only verified advertisers. So you can select the two. Means the first one means you are going to buy from only those that are verified. Okay, and the second one means you are going to show you the ones that are available. I'll just buy from the available ads now. So click on confirm. All right, so you can see that all the other here now are available to purchase. Then another thing again is to come here and select the amount you want to buy. Okay, so within which range you want to buy your USDT. I want to buy at the range of 3,000 naira. Okay, so enter 3,000, then you confirm. All the ones that are going to display are going to be in the range of 3,000 naira. All right, so you can see a lot of ads are available now, but then you can see this person is not online. This person is not online 2 minutes ago, but this person is online. So you have to make sure the person you are buying from is online. Okay, then you also have to check their order and order completion. So this person has 98% order completion for the last 30 days, but it's not online, so you cannot trade with him. Same with this person, 95. Then the same with this person has 100% order completion. Okay, so let me see who we are going to buy from, and it's online. I'm going to buy from this person because I think he's used to the market. All right, so this person has 97% order completion, so we want to buy from him now. Now once you click on it, you are going to see some options here. Just read through what you have here. Okay, so make sure to follow the instructions that is given in the remark there. No third party payment. Don't pay from another person's bank account. Obey instructions. Don't make a mistake. So and the likes. Okay, so let me enter the amount I want to buy. I want to buy for 3,000 naira, as I said. Then I'm going to get 1.8 USDT. All right, so click on buy. Now once you click on buy, another thing you need to take note is that you have to make sure that the person's name showing here should be the one on the person's bank account. Otherwise, do not make payment. All right, so after reading all through this, then click on pay now. Okay, the person is using PalmPay, so I'll just copy the account number of the PalmPay and I'm going to make the payment. Although Bybit doesn't allow you to click on payment completed before you go and pay, but because of network or issues like that, I prefer to click on payment made before I go and pay. So I'll pay. Then just tick this box and click on confirm. After doing that, I'm going to make the payment now. Okay, I've made the payment and you can see that my order is in progress. You can just click on this. You can see order in progress here. So you can just click up there to see the process. Click on it. It shows coin pending coin release. Yeah, so just wait for the person to release. All right, so I just released my coin. Okay, that's my USDT. You can see no active order, all order. The order is completed. Okay, so you can just go back to check your USDT balance. All right, so that is how to buy USDT with your local bank account. The same way if you want to buy any other crypto, that's the same method we are going to use. I hope you find the video useful. If you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on our notification for other updates. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to buy, turn, and transfer to your wallets for your airdrop. Thanks for watching.